that did not go as planned. But hello, hi, welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Nikki. I love fun, bright, colorful makeup. I love indie makeup, and I love color stores that don't necessarily go together. And I would love to have you subscribe if you haven't already. But if you do, you do. If you don't, you don't. It is what it is. I enjoyed our small bit of time together, whatever that may have been. Just know that Santa's watching, and if you don't make the right decision, he's not going to give you what you want. And then your year's just going to end horribly. So think about it. Take with this information what you will. But today we are going to be unboxing and looking at what is in the GlamLite Holiday Sweets box here. I ordered this. I didn't get the haunted one just because I did get their, what was it? The Halloween mystery box or whatever that was. Yeah, so I thought we'll just go to the other side to do it. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. So if you want to see what, what comes in this box and all that stuff, then let's get into it. I'm hoping that I have enough time this morning before I have to get ready to go to Christmas Eve to, do some swatches and show you what is all in this box. I can't tell if the artwork is AI or not. I'm hoping that it's not because I'm just getting really fed up with all that. But here is the inside packaging. It is super cute. I do adore it. We're just going to start with what is like pulling my eye, and that is this Hostie's Cupcakes Body Butter. It is in the birthday one. I freaking love the small birthday cake stuff. It is some of my all-time favorite. I'm super excited for this. I want to eat it so bad. It smells really good too. I'm not going to put it on yet just because I'm going to see if I can swatch some stuff with my hands. But yeah, I'm super excited for this. I did have my eyes on the Hostie's collection for a hot minute, and I've been very tempted by it. Not going to lie. Next, we have this little Betty Boop blush duo. The packaging is super cute. Let me see. I always hate boxes on stuff because it always is such a pain for me to get open for whatever reason. Screw it, we're ripping it. We're ripping it. Because it's still stuck even after I ripped it. Okay, this is the packaging on the blush duo. It is adorable. I do think that those are very muted, my goodness. It is super pretty. Let me swatch them real quick. There they are. Can you even see them? Yeah, you can. But yeah, those are what those look like. They are super pretty, and I will use them, so I'm excited for that. Let me put my glasses on. I put my glasses on so I can see now. Actually do stuff. Next we have the GlamLite X Garfield I Do Not Care Lip Care Duo. I just got one of these in their mystery box thingy. Well, granted, these are all mystery boxes. But, the Halloween one or whatever that one was, and the one that came in there was the Chucky one. So if you've gotten both of these boxes, you've got a whole bunch of lip stuff. I see, look at, they're horrible to get open. But here is what they look like. This is the lip scrub, and this is the lip mask. They're donut scented. It's not bad. I guess we'll see how I end up, enjoying them. Like I said, I got rid of the, Chucky one. I didn't feel like I was going to use them as I had gotten other ones, but it's donut scented, so I might have to keep it. Next, I have the banana cream powder. I do adore the little packaging on this. This is super cute. And it's not ripping either, because I do adore that packaging. It's super cute. It looks like this. I have not used a setting powder or whatnot in a long time. Here's what the inside looks like. I like that their name is on these. Like I said, I haven't used a setting powder in a very long time. I just don't think that my face agrees with a lot of stuff. But once I get that plastic off, I'm excited to use this. I feel like it might work. It might Does it smell? I don't know. Should we see? We will see what ends up happening with that. Ooh, we have 2 of their lip kits. Oh my god. Lip kits! We have the cinnamon swirl and the hot cocoa. I was kind of eyeing these, not specifically these 2, but more specifically some of their other lip kits that they've put out. So I'll open them a little bit. We'll look at cinnamon swirl and hot cocoa. We'll swatch them. Again, why do they... Oh my god. I'm realizing now why they get so stuck in it is because it's like it's, you know, they put something on there. But this is what this one looks like. I will swatch it real quick. So what comes in these is a lip liner and a tinted hydration lip gloss. So this is what this one, the cinnamon one, looks like. I do like it. It does smell really good too, by the way. But yeah, I do think it is super pretty. So there's that. Also, I'm sorry if I seem like off. I just woke up. I feel off. And I ripped the box of this too because it just doesn't freaking come out. Next, we're gonna move on to the hot cocoa one. So again, it comes with the lip pencil and then the lip dewy gloss or whatever it's called here. This one is that right there. I do think that the liner pencil on these 2 is very, very close to one another. But yeah, here is that. That one is cinnamon and this one is the hot cocoa. They are super pretty though. I am super excited to use these at some point though. I think they'll be fun. I do think that GlamLite has been killing it as of late, like with like their product packaging. Like this is super cute. Okay, it's super cute. Next and last, we have this GlamLite Holiday Sweets palette. So it comes with its own little dedicated palette to this mystery box. I'm wondering if they did that with the Haunted one too. Like I said, I think GlamLite has been killing it. I do think that they have been putting out probably way too much stuff, but I do think that they've been killing it with packaging and color stories, and they've just been really nailing it. The packaging is super adorable. I really do enjoy that. That's super, super cute. So here is, ooh, the color story. That is super gorgeous. I'm gonna have to play with this coming up. I will, don't worry. I'll add this to my list to play with next week. But that is super, super gorgeous. I don't have time to play with it here today due to the fact that I do have to get ready, and this is not the color story that I necessarily want to plop on my face today. But yeah, this is super, super gorgeous. I mean, these are nice shimmers though. They're like really poorly done shimmer swatches, but yeah, there's those. They are super pretty. They're feeling very buttery, and I really do like that. Like those are super pretty from just going in like this and then like that. So there is those. I enjoy everything that they put in here. It's not like a buttload of like stuff like they did last time with the Halloween one. Like with the Halloween one, they put like some of like the Kiss collab stuff in there, and I got like face paints. Like granted, I will use them, but I don't know how many other people will. But yeah, this was, I like everything. It's a good simple amount of products. You kind of get almost like a full face in a sense with everything that they put in here. You know, you have some skincare, body care, and then stuff for the face. Yeah, I think they did pretty good on this one. I'm liking it. I think it's a good amount. A good amount. And it is still available, and I will have it linked down below. I forgot to say that earlier, but I will put it in here too. I will link it down below right away. Yeah, I like this. I think this is like this would be like a good introduction to GlamLite too. So you do get a variety of their products, and they're all adorable. So there's that. If you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. A couple things before you go. Remember to not be a piece of shit. Don't be homophobic. Don't be transphobic. Don't be racist. It's almost 2025. Pull your head out of your ass and do better. And remember to be taking enough food, enough water, enough nutrients, to be washing your freaking hands, using hand sanitizer, I'm so sick of being sick. Okay, I am just over it. So be teaching your kids how to wash their freaking hands, please, and thank you. Signed, a childcare worker. It sucks. Again, if you made it to this point of the video, thank you so much for watching. Again, I just love and adore you all so incredibly much. Remember to do good, be good, and I can't wait to see a Yarky face next time.